Welcome again to Graphic Design Secrets with Donald Joel. Today I will be showing you something different, and that is how you can achieve the smudge effect or the smudge digital effect with your picture. I want to be giving credit to this great man who fought for the freedom of not just South Africa but for the whole Africa. The person of late President Nelson Mandela. I got his picture from the internet, so I will be working with this picture today. So what you do is go to your camera roll on your Photoshop, and we start with increasing the sharpness of the picture and increasing the clarity of the picture. Then increase the luminance of the picture. Right, the luminance of the picture, the luminance contrast, and the luminance color increase. Alright, now we'll be repeating this step, what we just did now, so that we can have the re-effect, those re-sketch lines effect that we are looking for. So I'm repeating this step right away. I'm increasing the sharpness of the picture and the luminance. Once again, the luminance contrast and that of the luminance color. Alright, I'm increasing the clarity again. You can see the effect on the picture of this great man. You can see the effect now. That's the variance and the saturation. Still working around the luminous contrast. Okay. Alright, so the next thing I'll be doing is I'll repeat the same step again. The same steps again. I need that real sketchy effect on the picture. Okay, I think we are close to what I'm looking for. So, okay. Wow, this great, this really great. Okay. All right, I think we are close to what I'm looking for, and this is wow. All right, I'll take my rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. What I want to do now is I want to give it color. I want to give color to it, but I don't want to use one color. I want to use a variation of colors. Right, so I will choose this shade of green, and I will go to my blend modes and choose the mode of my choice. Right, you can see the effect on the face from the green color that we have. You will see the different shades of these blend modes. Right, I can say this is really getting interesting. This is getting interesting. Wow. So we'll finally settle for one, and I'm done, and going to give the other part of it a different color. Wow, this is wow. Oh, I love this. I love this. Wow. I love this paint. Oh. You can actually achieve this without using the brush. I didn't use the brush. What I used was those effects on the camera raw. I didn't use the brush to start sketching and painting and all that. So this is actually a quick way you can achieve. Well, you can see you can achieve a digital paint work with this. I think so. even though it might not look so that smooth like the one you use your smooch tool for and all that, but this is the grunge effect I'm actually looking for. I'm not looking for something smooth and all that. A sketchy grunge effect is what I'm actually working towards. You can see the effect. This is awesome. This is really awesome. So what I will do next is I will add a new layer, and I will take my brush tool. No, Ctrl Z. All right, I need colors. So I'll move that layout up and start painting. Okay, let's paint. Just follow me, you will see the effect I'm actually working towards. I'll be using 3 colors. I'm using 3 colors: yellow, red, and shade of green. Using 3 colors. So we have a splash of the colors on the frame. Different colors coming together to form. Actually, these are the colors of Africa: red, yellow, green, and black, and can say a touch of gold. These are the colors of Africa. So wow, you can see the splashes I'm talking about. I'm using my blend modes now. Using my blend modes, you can see the splashes. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. I tell you, this is awesome. Wow. Okay. Immediately I'm done with the what I'm looking for, the shade of this splash effect that I'm looking for. I think we'll move over to the next thing. Man, I'm loving this. This is simple to get and I'm really loving this. I'm loving this. This grunge strength, this grunge strength and sketchy effect. Wow, I'm loving this. If I tell you I'm not loving this, I'll be lying. All right, I'm working on the saturation and the variance. Okay, the brightness and the contrast of that layout of the picture, so that I can get more strength extruding from this picture. Don't mind me, I'm trying to achieve a digital paint work on a canvas with some methods on Photoshop. That's why I love Photoshop. So here we are, adjusting the parameters, effect parameters. Wow, you can see that shade of yellow, red, and green. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's really awesome. Okay, trying to reduce the opacity and the feel of that effect. Wow, this is wow. You can really print this and make it a frame. All right, I'm coming back to camera raw to adjust some parameters. Okay. Alright, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel if this is the first time or you're watching my videos. and please comment what you've learned so far in this class, in this video class, in the comment box, and just let me know how well it's going with your practice. Tell me the things you are learning. Please like this video and share it. All right, we are back to Photoshop. Okay, still adjusting parameters. Okay, wow, this whole thing is really getting so interesting. I'm loving this. I'm really loving this. Wow, I think we should settle for this shade of green again. You can see you have limitless options of what you can do with Photoshop. You have limitless options. If you can think it, you can find a way out through it and achieve what you really want. Wow. Okay, let's adjust more. Okay. Well, I think this is making more sense. All right, I'm saving. I think I'm done saving this picture, and my image quality I'm using 12. Right, let's open this image. Let's see. Wow, I love this. Man, I love this. All right, let me show you something else you can actually do. Let me show you something else you can achieve with this image, and that would be actually filling this image with text, and to look as if the text are on the image. You get, they are written inside the image. Okay, increase the size of your text, and I think I will give a dark color to it, preferably black, so we can get that effect. Give it a center alignment. Make sure your text is falling on the image. Okay, let's go with black. Okay, I think, wow, you can see this. This is really nice. This is nice. So this is where I will be bringing this class to an end. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always commenting. And I want to tell you, more is coming your way. Even this week, more will be coming your way. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Bringing this class to a close. Thank you so much, and have a great day.